Let us now visualize reflection of a point about any line and come up with a formula. Let's enjoy this journey of learning. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent questions and suggestions. This question has come from one of our subscribers, indeed a very important problem seen in test papers and sometimes very difficult to solve by the students. The question here is determine coordinates of the image for the point A 2, 5 reflected on the line y equals to x plus a. Now, reflection on the x axis, reflection on the y axis, and reflection on the line y equals to x is known to almost all the students doing pre-calculus. But when it comes to some other line, so what we are taking here is a general line y equals to x plus a, right? A, that is the y-intercept. In that case, what is the image after the reflection? We are going to explore this in this particular video. I hope you will understand and appreciate it. So let's begin with a simple case giving a value to A and then working out a method of finding a general solution, right? So let's say we begin with same coordinate point, or in this case, I've taken a different coordinate points, 3, 6. Okay. So it says determine coordinates of image for a point 3, 6 reflected on the line y equals to x plus 1. So we have this point 36, and I've also given you a graph here to plot and visualize the solution, and then we will see a shortcut method of finding the answer within seconds. Great. So let's begin with very simple things, sketching the line itself, which is x plus 1. So x plus 1 will be kind of like this, right? Yes. So we are going to make a rough sketch here, which helps us to visualize the solution in no time. The coordinate point is 3, 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, and then 6. So that is the coordinate point. Let's call this point as A. And we need to reflect it on the line x plus 1. So let's reflect it now. Basically, it'll go perpendicular like this, and there you get the image A dash. And you can easily read the coordinates of this particular point, which is 5, 4. Correct. So we have our answer within seconds, right? So that's how we could do it. Now the thing is, how do we come up with the formula if we are given any general line with a slope of 1 to be just, keep it simple for now. Okay. Now, here is one more approach which we could have adopted, and that is, let us say, if we consider a change in our coordinate plane, let us say we have this particular line here. So that is our x-axis translated 1 unit up. So with reference to this particular change, what we notice is that this coordinate point will be what? So let's call this as now B for a new plane, right? So the point which was 3, 6, which on this particular new modified plane will be the x coordinate remains 3, but the y becomes 1 less, so it becomes 3, 5. And this line now acts like y equals to x. Now, if y equals to x is the line, then the point will be just swap x and y, which we all know. So we get this image, which is 5, 3 with respect to the new coordinate point, right? So, so, so 5, 3 will mean that 5 and 1, 2, 3. Do you see? We get the same coordinate, correct? Now, if I relate 5, 3 with a dash, basically what happens now, once we got the point, we are getting back to our x-axis, the original one. Now, in this original one, again, the x value remains same. However, the y value increases, right? So we get this point as 5, 4 as our answer, correct? Because we move it back to this, so y value increases by 1. So that is the result. Now, see, if I have to generalize the result, what should I do? Clearly, we began with point A, which was 3, 6. So in step 1, we could have come to another point by just swapping, right? So let's call it as A1, right? And if you swap, it is 6, 3. However, the answer which we need of the image, that is the answer, it is indeed 5, 4. So what we notice here is that after swapping, that means we can say this is xy, and we came to swapping and get this. However, the result is not 6 but 5, so 1 less, right? So it is y minus 1 in this case, right? And the x value increases, right? X plus 1. Does make sense. So we have indeed come up with the formula now, right? So you swap x and y values, and since you're moving up, right? So in the case of the x value, just take it minus 1 and the y value becomes more by 1. So let's look into the next diagram if that works, right? So basically, we are given the point 3, 6. So what we are saying is that first step is swap, right? So 6, 3. So swap, correct? So swap really means that we have done a reflection on y equals to x, right? That is what it means. But the actual case was what? We need to do reflection on y equals to x plus 1. So that means after swapping, we got this answer here, reflection as 6, 3. But since it was x plus 1, we will do 6 minus 1 and 3 plus 1, correct? And we get our answer, which is, let me write like this, as the real image point, which is 5, 4. Makes sense. So you see, we have got a formula now to work with, right? So that makes it very clear, and we can see this is the right thing to do. And therefore, now we can write that the step should be that first we are just reflecting the point as if we are reflecting on y equals to x, right? But since we have to do reflection on y equals to x plus a, our image will be after reflection, it is 5, 2. We will take away a from the x coordinate value, and we are going to add a to the y coordinate value. So that becomes our image point after the reflection on the line x plus a. So I hope that makes sense, right? So this way we could easily get our answer. Perfect. So I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comments, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.